All right, this is a mess. I think it's 2007 750. Everything's apart on it. So I'll have to check, see what's going on. But right off of the bat, he had a battery charger hooked up to the battery back here, which on BMWs is a very big no-no. I don't know if there's any damage that was created by it, but and you also have some loose terminals here. Both of them are loose. So I'm gonna start by putting my charger, my good charger, he had a crappy one. I'm gonna put my maintainer on here in the proper spot. He replaced that for whatever reason. Problem is, it starts with starter fluid, but that's about it. And I'm gonna get started. Running a scan now. I had to put that, tighten them up, and I wanted to put everything back to running conditions. He had that module was disconnected, so I hooked that back up. Got my battery tender on there. Put that back on. All those hoses were off. I just want it in testable condition. Hopefully it doesn't have anything else disconnected, but we got a nice Christmas tree here. Now I don't know what's due to a dead battery or not, but I'm gonna save all this stuff for a report because this may just have more than one problem. I'm gonna do a quick look at this. I got work to do. I gotta fix this thing. All right, we got CAN bus. I mean, this battery was dead, so I already saved this for pre-scan, and I'm gonna shut it off. I mean, reset it afterwards. No message. Just looking for anything that's electric parking brake. Seatbelt stuff. Anti-theft. Okay, CAN. No bus. Battery disconnected. We got door module. Steering stuff. Valvetronic says it's okay. That's a good sign. Alright, so I have that saved, and I'm going to clear everything. Okay. Outside temperature. And communication with, okay, these are lights. I don't care about lights. Let's see what happens if I try to crank it. Immediately I didn't hear no pump running. Okay. Okay, what do we got here? Do we got, come on there, guy, fuel pump. Warning, okay. Activation. Now I hear the pump. Alright, so the pump makes noise. So, on to the next. Alright, this needs a EWS reset. The battery has been dead a bunch of times, and it was charged incorrectly. It was charged at the battery, had loose terminal ends. She's running. Autel to the rescue. I have to mess with the Think tool. I think I actually have to go in under a separate function rather than under the actual vehicle. But all I did was reset the EWS and start it right up. So we're good to go.